guys to Bali, Indonesia, the digital nomad dream, where the job titles are as mystical as the island itself. Today is a bit of a different video. We're showing you a behind the scenes of my life in Bali and why I live here, and showing you a different side to Bali that you probably haven't seen before. This video is going to be behind the scenes, so we're going to be using the ASUS ProArt PX13, and my good friend Mr. Don Rob is going to be filming for us behind the scenes, and we are starting off with some Muay Thai overlooking the rice paddies for sunrise.
If there's ever a day like this where I'm following Harry around, it's always very fast-paced and everywhere we go. And so if anyone's edited YouTube videos before, if anyone's been a creator, they know that the best thing to do is to edit as soon as you have the footage. And so to help keep me organized, I usually like to use something that can grab the content immediately after we record. So I'm using this super easy to carry around, durable and lightweight ASUS ProArt laptop. Be able to edit immediately after we get this footage so that we can then produce the video within a short time frame of when it comes out. Because there'll be times where I'll literally be sitting down on the motorcycle. I'll be sitting after we record something like this. Harry's literally fighting Muay Thai right behind me. Then I'll want to record, look at it, and then if we need to do another shoot, then I'll record again after he does that. So the easiest way is to have your device or your laptop with you while you record and while you're out in the field, because otherwise if you take a shot and you miss it, you could be totally screwed. Let's go take a look at what Mr. Harry is doing. Let's see if we can get in on some of the action.
Guys, this is actually my first Muay Thai lesson, so saying it's a day in the life is kind of a little bit incorrect. This is not typically a day in the life, but I usually do some kind of physical activity in the morning, as you can tell by my absolutely ripped body. It's usually gym, usually a run. This is kind of boring, so I thought I'd switch it up and do a visually aesthetic task. So we're getting Daewon here. Is Muay Thai popular in Bali?
Yeah, it's so popular.
Am I going to be professional?
Yep, you can do.
Typically, guys, Rob would film with the DJI camera, and also we sometimes get some B-roll with the iPhone, because nowadays with social media you need to film long form and short form, vertical and horizontal. So we've got two camera angles here. We've got the short form and the long form, and we're ready to go. He just knocks me out. It's important to know that less is more sometimes. Sometimes the DJI is actually better than having a big camera because it's less confrontational when you're filming someone. It's just more subtle, and I like using the smaller camera. Right, we're ready to go. This is very functional boxing.
I think he's trying to get revenge for that Nigerian boxing match.
This heat is absolutely insane. You get used to it once you've lived here for a bit. This is what I love about Bali. Nature, and just being able to do these activities for like a quarter of the price that you would pay back in the UK. In the UK, you just wouldn't be able to get someone to come around to your house to do Muay Thai. It's like impossible. They're here, like just call them up and they'll come. It's amazing.
You wouldn't have this view either.
You would not have this view. This is going to be one of the best views in Bali, although some of this will be gone in a few years, but you gotta enjoy it whilst you can. Thank you, brother.
Okay, thank you, brother.
See you soon.
Yep, see you soon.
See you, brother. Okay.
Yep.
Muay Thai done, got the sweat on. Now we're gonna have some fun. Life in Bali is all about pleasure. We're gonna go to a beach in the north, up there, and we're gonna drive some bikes on the beach. Never done this before. It's one of the things to do in Bali, and yeah, let's do it. I'm excited. Daniel!
Yeah.
Selamat pagi!
Selamat pagi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Apa kabar?
Baik.
Daniel, be careful!
Daniel!
Oh my god!
Hey, I'm looking for Daniel.
Hey, are you stealing my bike, Daniel?
Oh! you. Wait.
Excuse me, sir, that's our bike.
Daniel's in the right pickle.
Dude, what a great shirt.
This one?
No,
Oh,
Daniel.
Oh.
Hey,
Hi.
what are you doing?
Hey, brother. Ready? to bring you to adventure.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we're looking for Daniel.
Daniel.
Are you Daniel?
Yeah, I'm Daniel.
Yes.
Let's go to the beach. Safety first.
Safety first, always.
Yalla. Guys, welcome to Pasu Beach. This is my first time being here, although I only live 30 minutes away. It's famous because you can drive on the beach. Never done that before, so we're gonna rip it up and down. And one of the key parts of my business is being able to outsource the work. So luckily we've got Rob being able to video and edit this footage. So being able to edit and watch the footage back in the location is super important, because in some places when I'm off the beaten path, you don't get the opportunity to refilm. You got to check the footage to see whether you got the right shots. We've got the FPV shots, we've got the driving along on the bike shots, and these are like, if we miss a shot, we can't come back. So Rob will be checking that we've got all the footage. Luckily we've got the OLED display. It's an amazing design, super portable and versatile, so we'll be able to take it and edit on the go.
Ready, boys?
Ready?
Let's get on.
Let's go.
Look at this. We missed it just a little bit, so I think we should go back and shoot this.
You know, one thing that I've always loved about Harry is that you want to be a great photographer, you want to be a great videographer, you want to be a great creative. It's not about how technical you get with your equipment, it's about standing in front of more interesting stuff. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're standing in front of some pretty cool things. Welcome to the ride.
Can we park here? I don't know what that was, but it was adorable.
So basically there's Tanalot, which is like basically going to be super touristy, but I want to go to an authentic temple. So we're going to try and get in.
Yeah. Come in.
Harry, go ahead.
Oh wow, we're being invited into their home.
Bye. Good. My name is Richard.
Richard, nice to meet you.
Hey, Richard. Robert. Nice to meet you,
Nice
brother.
meet you, Mr. Robert.
What's this, the temple?
Yeah, I give you this, you bring this.
Okay.
Oh.
I heard that like the Balinese Hinduism, they have lots of holidays.
Yeah.
More than other countries.
Yeah. But the big day is Galungan Day.
What about Nyepi?
Nyepi, Nyepi is a silent day. No activity 24. Yeah.
No. Like this. Follow me. Go. 3. 1, 3. Okay, finish that.
Finish.
I've lived in Bali for like a year and never done that, so it's so nice to actually experience what everyone else experiences.
What do you think? It's good, no?
Nice.
Yeah?
The fruit.
Yeah, do you like fruit?
Yeah.
What about this?
This is
Grapes?
special.
You ready for the flip? Watch this. Watch this. Whoa! Typically when editing, I cut the footage down by at least 50%, but also I make sure to keep raw moments to make it more authentic. We're trying to be exactly the same as we are off camera as we are when the cameras are rolling. We use the dial pad on this laptop to help edit a lot quicker and for precision editing.
Hey, Mr. Putu. Oh.
MMA?
Yes.
Fighting with
MMA.
Mr. Money.
Exactly. What do you think about the OLED display? Good or bad? Good. Alright, what do you think about this? Boom.
Whoa!
Oh.
Magical!
Yeah, that's right. Were you asking if this is the ASUS? Yeah, you're right, it is. Yeah. Very nice. It's as durable as you can get. Watch this. Very lightweight. You want to try?
Oh, no. Very light. Very light.
Yeah, there we go.
Not happy.
It's strong too,
Expensive?
no? It's affordable. Yeah, and it's strong. Watch this.
Kita new?
Yeah, it's fine.
Really?
Yeah.
Don't smash this.
Now you
Yeah.
actually experienced it, so what
It's
was
nice
it,
to
what was it
actually,
like?
it's
Yeah.
nice to actually experience, really understand how the Balinese culture is based off being grateful for the little things, appreciating the small things like the water and the rice, and just being thankful for everything, even the rain, even the bad things, because you can't have the good without the bad.
How difficult was it to get in to do this?
So yeah, like the easiest thing. Though actually, this is a good point. So we were going to go to Tanalot. It's a famous temple, but I saw this temple and everyone looked friendly, and I was like, you know what? I want to do a more authentic temple, and this I'm so glad I did this because they let us in with open arms. They welcomed us, very kind of them, and like didn't ask for any money or anything. Just being so kind. I really appreciate that. Suksama.
Suksuma.
Okay.
Suksuma Wali.
Daniel,
Yes.
why are Balinese people so happy?
Very simple in life. Enjoying the working, all things from the God.
Bintang is from
Why?
God.
Yeah, bintang, for enjoying, yeah. If you have money, you can buy bintang and drink bintang.
So guys, next spot I wanted to show you is the rice field. This is very close to my house and this is incredible beauty, and this system here is called the subak system. Basically the subak system is how they share the water in between the community, because these fields are owned by different people but the water is shared. You can see, you probably can't see, there's like a water filtration system, and it's like perfectly irrigates and waters all of the rice. And this is like a very, very old and traditional method, and the reason why it works so well in Bali is because it's all about the community. The community shares, no one steals water. If this was in England, you know, this field would have all the water and they would steal it from this field. So it goes to show the harmonious relationship of the Balinese people, specifically the farmers. And the farmers are the backbone of the Balinese society. They're the only ones where you walk around and they're still working super hard. Everyone else is now digital nomads like me.
Hold on.
That's sick.
Hold on. Alright. We have this shot right here, and then we have this one right there.
Sick. My favorite part of Bali, this is where I go running every day, and probably the number one reason why I live in Bali is because of the community. You probably see a lot of negatives about the community, you don't see the positives. For me, the positives are that it's like a community that makes you be the best version of yourself, and it's so good for digital nomads. Laptops like this are able to help you do that because of the amazing power and the durability, being able to take it anywhere and everywhere.
If this thing couldn't take it, like there's no way we could have gone to the beach with this. I mean, it was literally hanging on the seat the entire time when we had sand. But it's pretty durable. Like we could try running it over real quick and just see if it works.
Let's do it.
Yeah, do you want to?
No.
I mean, it's lightweight enough that we could literally, like I could drive one-handed with this thing.
Yeah. Super satisfying about it. Like, I think it's the military grade, like the hinges. And I've never, I don't know, maybe call me a boomer, but I've never used a laptop where you can fully. It's like it's done loads of yoga.
Yeah, it is insane. Yeah, the laptop has been to Bali.
Yeah, the laptop's been to Bali.
I guess.
No, get him to come to us. Can you? Oh my goodness! I went for the camera rather than you.
Yeah. The things I do for you, Mr. Jagat.
Guys, I've swapped out into my traditional farming gear. I usually come out here for about five hours a day. I actually planted all these. Oh, farmer. Hey, selamat malam. Apa kabar? Siapa namamu?
Ada. got that.
Ya.
Could you ask him what's he doing right now in my field?
Lagi cabutin rumput biar bersih, biar ada rumputnya.
Is this his field?
Ya.
How do they share the water between him and the other fields that aren't his?
Dari atas sana ada kayak bendungan gitu, nanti dialirkan dari sana.
What does he think of the tourists coming and moving in around his field? Would he sell if he can?
Ya bersyukurlah ada ini banyak ada proyek gitu, maksudnya ada pemasukan, ada
So grateful
mengurangi pengangguran lah gitu.
Last question, what makes him happy in life?
Ya gini mana saya bilang. Pokoknya ya jalanin aja lah Bu, biar susah, biar senang gitu. Pokoknya jalanin aja dah.
Suksema.
Ya, kasih.
Thank you. This was not a good idea. James Bond and Harry Jaggard have arrived. Hey, what have you got in your hand there, Daniel? What's this?
Oh, this is
ASUS ProArt PX13.
yeah.
Daniel is not a paid actor, but honestly, he should be. Say I'm James Bond.
I am James Bond in Bali.
So this is the final chapter. Is coming to eat with your friends and family in Bali. And I wanted to come to this specific restaurant to also show you guys that Bali also has a very luxurious and nice food scene. And the food here is unbelievable. You can eat any cuisine, any day of the week. And today is steak day.
1.80. It's fine.
Oh my god.
No.
Okay, you pay for it.
No.
How did you learn to specifically cook like this style? The restaurant you worked at before? Like someone trained you?
Yeah.
The chef trained you?
myself.
Okay. How difficult is it?
Not that big.
I think he's being humble. He's being humble.
Make it enjoy.
Hey Daniel,
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to say you're looking very handsome today.
Oh, really?
What's your favorite place in Bali? So anyone watching can be like, Daniel, take me to this place.
Oh, favorite Ubud.
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 Okay.
Yeah, because Ubud is nice place for relaxation.
It's a bit of seafood. Seafood nasi
Seafood,
goreng.
seafood is
Not,
good.
not ayam.
Not ayam, laut, ikan laut. Nice?
Enak.
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 Yeah.
Sedap. Oh my god, this is insane. That's cooked perfection. How did you know that that was going to be medium?
Use the template.
Ah. Oh my god. One thing that I'm actually super surprised at, the amount of stuff that we've thrown at it in terms of uploading the footage, then editing the footage whilst we're uploading the footage, and also working in like really heat, like Bali needs heat, and just being able to do this because of the powerful processor. Super happy with that. And these shots are just so crisp, so perfect.
This OLED is honestly a lifesaver. Like if we are working on the beach, like, and if you want me to review a shot, which you typically do in just about every single video that we're doing together, like I need to have something that I can see it in, because otherwise we would not have gotten this.
Having Rob by my side to help capture, create and share from anywhere without limitations is the only way I'm able to tell these stories to the world. Having the portability, power and stunning design of this laptop with us at all times is vital. Thank you for watching, and thank you again to ASUS for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in the next one.